Are you taking the OET exam this year? Want to know how to pass? Then watch this video where I tell you the secrets to OET success. Hi, I'm Jo from Specialist Language Courses, and in this video I'm going to give you my top tips on how to pass the OET exam. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and if you want more practice, check out our website, specialistlanguagecourses.com. Let's go. Most of you are planning to work in an English-speaking country, but before you can do this, you need to pass the OET exam. This is your goal. But how can you achieve this? What can you do? Preparation is key. Be prepared and pass the exam. Know the exam. Learn the format of the exam and exam strategies to use. Improve your English level and work on your skills of listening, reading, writing and speaking. Use a variety of reliable resources to make the best use of your time. Do all these things to achieve success in the OET exam. Let me explain a little bit more about how to do this. First of all, one key aspect of passing the exam is knowing the exam first. Learn the format of the exam. How many papers are there? How many parts for each paper? What order is the exam in? What type of questions are there? It's a good idea to visit the OET website and click on Prepare. There you will find lots of resources to help you, such as the masterclasses, which go through the format of the exam. And you can then look at some sample exam papers to become familiar with the exam and types of questions. You can also find lots of useful guides on strategies for the exam. We also have lots of videos on our YouTube channel with tips on how to approach the exam. But of course, knowing the exam is not enough. The OET demands a high level of language proficiency, so working on improving your English should also be a priority. Identify your weak areas of grammar and vocabulary. Keep a record of common errors. Increase your range of vocabulary. Use new structures and vocabulary as much as you can and expose yourself to as much English as possible. We know improving your grammar can be tricky. That's why we've created this special course, Essential Grammar for Healthcare, to help you with this. For more information, check out the link in the description box below. Again and again, I meet students who struggle to pass the exam. And when I ask them how they prepared, many of them say they only did exam practice papers. Yes, this is an important part of your preparation, but you shouldn't limit yourself to only doing this. It's so important for you to develop your skills. This is recommended by OET themselves. This means reading, listening, speaking, and writing. If you want to improve your reading, read a lot. If you want to improve your speaking, speak a lot, and so on. You get the idea. There are many activities you can do in your self-study time to improve these areas, such as vocabulary work, creating lists of useful language to use, summarizing paragraphs for main meaning, and many more. Check out our other videos on YouTube for more ideas on what you can do. There are lots of OET materials to help you prepare for your exam, and there is so much available on the internet. But how do you know which are good to use? My advice is to stick to official materials and from OET endorsed providers such as SLC. We are a premium preparation provider, so we know how to help you pass. If a website says you can buy 50 tests for a cheap price, the quality is unlikely to be good or the standard and level of an OET exam. Use the OET website and follow them on Facebook and YouTube for links to free live lessons from all-star providers, including from me and my colleagues at SLC. It might also be a good idea to buy an official preparation guide if you can. Remember, there is no quick shortcut to passing the exam. Put in the work. Be prepared, pass the exam. We know the OET exam isn't easy. That's why we at SLC have created our Reach OET B course, specially designed to help you succeed in the OET exam. As well as exam practice exercises and mock tests, these courses contain pages of material to help you develop your skills for all 4 papers, essential for passing the exam. You also have access to 4 live lessons a week. You can choose self-study or tutor classes with an OET expert. Check out our website for more information. Okay, to recap my top tips for passing the OET exam. Know the exam. Improve your English. Work on your skills. Use reliable resources and succeed in the exam. I'd love to find out how you're going to prepare for the OET exam this year, so please tell me in the comments below. And if you like this video, let others know by liking and sharing. See you in the next video. Bye! If you're not already subscribed, make sure you do so, and please check out our website. And go and check out our website, And if you want more practice in the OET exam, go to our website at so close. And when I ask them how they prepared, many of them say, but how do you know which are good to use? Let's something. And if you like this video, share with other people. Oh God! I'd love to find out how you're planning to prepare. Sorry. Now listen to me.